Welcome to this another video of this fundamental yoga science and weight loss. I am sure and I hope you are enjoying this because I just want to touch upon the most important things which are useful. This video I will be sharing with you about the 3 most important aspects of yoga. You remember the last video we talked about the 8-fold principle, 8 Ashtanga yoga. If you have not watched that video, please make sure to watch this video because every video is very crucial and important. Only then you will understand the whole concept. So 3 most important principles which I believe today people do practice and that we need to know are: the first is called asana, physical posture exercise which we call. Second is called pranayama and third is called meditation, dhyan. Okay, now understand this thing. Now all the steps are important, but in today's time, as we see that in today 21st century, what are the most important thing for the people so that they can achieve optimum health mastery, so that they can achieve the desired outcome. So I think first is asana. Asana, what does asana do? Asana means that when you physical postures, when you do some yogic asanas. So asanas help you to strengthen your body. Asanas is the foundation of your body. There are a lot of asanas. According to yogic scriptures, it said that there are 8400,000 asanas. 8400,000 asanas. And to practice all these asanas, one requires lifetime, is not even sufficient. That means as many as species, those many asanas. Now understand, asana is the third principle in Ashtanga yoga, as I talked in the last video, and is very important aspect of the yoga. So asana is the foundation. When you do asana, your body becomes strong, it gives you stability, it gives you power, your tones, your muscles, tones and everything. So asana is very important. And asana not only help you to give the physical benefits, but also asana help you to give you the psychological benefit. Why? Because body and mind is connected together, it is not separate, it is all connected together. So whenever we work on our physical body, even your mindset, your psychological aspect become better. Alright, so asana is very much important, and that we'll be talking. So you will get to know some of the asana which you have to practice when it comes to losing your belly fat. So there are some sequential asana which you will get to know.